In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate unique content ideas with Grok AI, Creative Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. You don't need anything fancy here, just a stable connection and your usual browser. The site loads to a clean homepage designed to get you ideating quickly. If you already have a Grok account, go ahead and log in. This part is optional, but it's helpful because it can save your chats and settings so you can pick up where you left off later. If you'd rather move fast, you can proceed without logging in. Just remember you may not retain your session history. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. The layout is intentionally simple, so you can focus on the creative flow rather than hunting through menus. Take a second to scan the page so you know where everything lives. Right in the middle, you'll find the chat bar. This is where all the action happens. Think of it as your creative command center. You ask, Grok responds. You can paste a brief brainstorm seed words, or just describe what you're trying to make. Before you start typing, look for mode options like auto, fast, or expert. These modes fine-tune how Grok responds. Auto is a balanced default that works for most people. Fast prioritizes speed, which is great when you're exploring lots of directions quickly. Expert leans into depth, providing more thorough reasoning and nuance. You can switch modes at any time, so don't worry about picking the perfect one right away. Use what fits your pace. Now, in the chat bar, type something like, "Generate me unique content ideas." Grok will return a set of detailed suggestions. To get even stronger results, add quick context, your niche, audience, preferred format, and the tone you want. For example, mention whether you're crafting blog posts, short videos, newsletters, or podcasts. And note if you want them educational, entertaining, or contrarian. Small details help the system tailor ideas that feel original to your brand. Once the initial ideas arrive, keep the momentum by asking follow-up prompts. If you want more information, ask for expansions, outlines, or variations on a favorite concept. You can say, "Refine idea 3 for a beginner audience," or "Turn idea 5 into a week-long content series." If an idea sparks something new, nudge Grok to blend themes, shift tone, or localize examples. As you iterate, notice what resonates and steer the conversation accordingly. If you logged in earlier, your progress will be saved, making it easy to revisit the best threads later. And that's it. Open Grok, optionally log in, explore the chat bar, choose a mode, ask for unique ideas, and keep prompting until you land on concepts you're excited to make.